Hi, one of my favorite things, a simple beef broth that you can use for soups. You can make a soup out of it. You can use it for sauces, for gravies, for cooking. Easy peasy. You start with a pot with 16 cups of water in it. You put 4 beef bones in there, and you can get those from your local butcher. So 4 nice beef bones. Those are awesome. And then you can do 5 cut up carrots, and I leave the peeling on the carrots because that gives it a lot of nutrition. And then you've got 1 large onion that you can put in there. I just cut it. And then you've got 5 celery that I just kind of chopped up. And you are going to let that simmer for 4 hours. And then you are going to put a little bit of salt in it, and that's your broth. When the 4 hours is up, you can strain it and get rid of all the discarded stuff so that you just have clear broth. And then from there you can freeze it or use it right away, but it's awesome to have on hand. So one of my favorite things, a very simple beef broth. Thank you. You have a good day.